If you want to hide posts on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, just create a new post by clicking the pencil at the bottom right, and then just type whatever you want, and then hit post at the top right. And then basically what you're gonna do next, go ahead to click your three bars at the top left, go ahead and click your profile, and you're gonna see this is my post. Click the three dots next to it, and for Twitter you can hide the post, but in Bluesky Social you can only edit the interaction settings. So fortunately for now, you're gonna be able just to interact the replies and who can quote or quote from your post. And basically you could just shut it down if you don't want anyone to quote your post. And here, reply settings, if you want replies from everyone or no one, right, you could just select it and combine these options, mentioned users or followers or followed users, and then hit save. If you don't want your post or if you don't like these options or these alternative and you want to delete your post, just go ahead, click the three dots again, and then hit delete post, and then double click to confirm that you want to delete that post. And this is the best alternative for now. We will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.